Welcome to the construction world of TVH. We have millions of known references to support your business when you need it most. We'll show you all types of construction equipment we offer parts for. So let's have a closer look at the construction site. First up, small earth movers. Keep them digging thanks to our wide and ever-growing range of parts. We've got parts for all major makes and models for these types of small earth movers. Next, the telehandlers. Keep this versatile machine in top condition with TVH's millions of spare parts and accessories. Fixed or rotating? Doesn't matter. We've got you covered. Last but not least, mobile elevating work platforms. It's quite easy. When there's lifting involved, TVH is your spare parts and accessory supplier. To wrap it up, we have a huge range of parts for all major brands and models, and we deliver fast and worldwide. That's how we keep you going and growing.